None. But imagine this, an army of drones transforming the battlefield. These next-generation combat drones are not just flying machines. They're unmanned aerial powerhouses capable of precision strikes, real-time surveillance, and even autonomous decision-making. Equipped with cutting-edge AI, these drones can identify targets, navigate complex terrains, and execute missions with pinpoint accuracy, all without human intervention. Imagine a drone fleet that can communicate and coordinate with each other in real time, creating a network of airborne warriors. From stealth operations to full-scale assaults, these drones are redefining military strategy. And here's the kicker: they're designed to minimize collateral damage and maximize mission success. The future of warfare is here, and it's unmanned, intelligent, and unstoppable. Stay tuned, military buffs, because the revolution in combat technology has just begun. These drones undergo rigorous testing and development phases to ensure they meet the highest standards of performance and reliability. Engineers and scientists are constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible, experimenting with new materials, designs, and technology. Military personnel are also being trained to operate and integrate these drones into their strategy, using advanced simulations and real-world exercises. Beyond combat, these drones are also being adapted for rescue missions, delivering supplies in disaster zones and providing critical support in emergency situations. The potential applications are limitless, and the future of drone technology is incredibly exciting. So keep your eyes on the skies, because the next generation of combat drones is taking flight. This is just the beginning of a new era in military technology. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the latest in combat technology.